This is how you can preview a test that you've set up. I'm going to use a real one that I've used before. That's called eAssessment 3. Click on that link, and the bit I'm interested in is over here on the right. There's a link that says preview. This will give me pretty much exactly what the students will see. I click start attempt, the clock starts, and now I get the questions for this particular test. There are 5 questions at different levels of difficulty. You can see question 1's worth 1 mark. Which one of the following intended breakfast ingredients is an example of a slip? I'm pretty sure it's a cake. Which one of the following most closely corresponds to the norm's definition of slip? Not expecting you to know these answers. Let's just pick one at random. Otherwise we can be here too long while I work out the right and wrong answers. You can see that some of the questions have 3 marks, they're the difficult questions. Some of the questions have 2 marks, they're the medium questions. Once you've answered all the questions and you're happy with your answers, then you click finish attempt. For us, that gives us 2 options: return to attempt or submit all and finish. I'm going to click submit all and finish. Have to confirm that because I can't change my mind. And it indicates for each of the questions whether I got the question right or wrong, and tells me what the correct answer is. So the first one was indeed cake. Here's the feedback, and it tells me the answer is correct and confirms the correct answer. Other ones I got wrong, it says it's incorrect and tells me what the correct answer is. Whether the students get this and when they get it depends on the settings that you've used to set up the quiz. And if we go down to the bottom, finish review, and you can see that it's telling me I got 4 marks out of 11 for that test. That's worth 36.36%. And we're done.